Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Snowflake time travel recovery strategies step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Snowflake account. Navigate to the Snowflake web interface. Identify the database you wish to backup. Click on the database name to open its details. Locate the time travel feature in the options menu. Review the retention period for time travel. Determine the specific point in time you want to recover from. Utilize the query editor to construct a select statement. Incorporate the time travel syntax in your query. Use the at or before clause to specify the time. Execute the query to retrieve the historical data. Assess the retrieved data for accuracy. If the data is valid, create a new table for backup. Utilize the create table statement for this step. Insert the historical data into your new backup table. Execute the insert statement to complete the data transfer. After backing up, verify the new table's contents. Check that all required data has been captured. Ensure your backup table is properly formatted. Document the backup process for future reference. Establish a regular backup schedule to maintain data integrity. Review Snowflake's documentation for any updates or changes. Consider using automated scripts for efficiency. Regularly test your recovery strategy to ensure effectiveness. By following these steps, you can implement a reliable backup strategy for Snowflake's time travel feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.